Take a look at your 4-day hair transplant journey. Day 1. When you arrive at the airport, you will be met by one of our drivers. The driver will take you to the clinic for a quick and simple blood test. After that, he will take you to your hotel. Your hotel will be comfortable, so you can unwind and be well rested and ready for the days ahead. Day 2. You will be having your first consultation. You will be meeting your doctor and discussing your hair transplant options and hairline design. This will take from 1 to 2 hours. After that, you can get the rest of the day to enjoy Istanbul and have the time to think about your transplant options, including hairlines, until the following day. Day 3. Today you will have your second consultation, and you'll get further expert advice for achieving a natural look and will finalize your plan to get the best possible result. After that, we'll go ahead and start the operation. Hair transplant procedures are done under local anesthesia and will take around 5 to 7 hours, depending on the number of hair follicles. And after the operation, we will take you back to your hotel for rest. Day 4. We will wash your hair and check on your transplanted grafts just to make sure everything is going well and according to plan. Then finally, we can transfer you back to the airport. And that's it. It's that simple. Your new hairline is only 4 days away. So you can start your journey right now. Welcome to Clinicana.